This 2015 Crossroads Elevation TF34RM Richmond double slide rear cargo is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Crossroads is 38 feet 11 inches in length and features a tan, brown classic neutrals interior, sleeps 6, self-contained, slide-out, air conditioning, TV, skylight, auxiliary battery, and 112 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2015 Crossroads Elevation TF34RM Richmond double slide rear cargo is 12,668 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.